library didn't develop as a byproduct of the needs of specific projects, although that was a big influence. We would record constantly just because it was there. Every film generated a need for new, fresh sound. So we had to record, and every time you finished a film, those sounds would be mastered, placed into our library, giving us this indispensable asset.